Yeah, just changed the oil and I was wondering if it was gonna go from dark to nice and fresh looking clean, and it did. That was super cool. That's all I want to report on that. Pretty neat. I should have filmed it as it was going through from dirty to clean. Badass. All right, everything looks pretty good. Yeah, baby. Pretty new oil right there. Yeah, in and out. Respect that. Yeah, Billy. Alrighty, fellas and fellas, welcome back to the Hot Damn Racing Team, and if you're new here, welcome. Alright, oiling system seems to be working pretty good. Now that I know that it works, I'm going to go ahead and save my money and get the TurboWorks oil pump. For the main reason, I believe it's a lot quieter pump. All right, I've seen some YouTube videos on it, reviews, and a lot of people like the pump for how quiet it is. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. It's a rather expensive pump. I want to make sure that the turbo works first and the oil system works. All right, before I went to spend some big money, okay? So now I'm gonna start spending some money on this turbo system now that I know that it works. All right, hot damn hell yeah, you're all the baddest. Just a little short video, short report, all right? And that's all there is to it. Get some.